back to our digital transformation series. I'm Jeremy McConnell, and I'm on our digital transformation team. I focus on cloud native technology and security as a service. If you're just tuning in, make sure to go all the way back to episode 1, hit that subscribe button below, and we're here today on episode 2 with our customer, Moss Adams. Super grateful that you guys are here today. We're going to be talking about how cloud security technology has really been impactful to their organization, allowed ease of use and accessibility anywhere, and how that onboarding process went with them. So Sandra, I'd love for you to kind of describe how cloud security from access control, video, and intercom has really impacted your organization.
Sure, it's great. The systems are all really easy to use. I have team members who worked on our legacy systems that are a bit cumbersome and slow, and when I show them how to use the new system, it's just like, what? You just press a button? And it really is that simple. It's super easy to use. The teleportivity has given us a great opportunity to provide a Moss Adams greeting to visitors. We recently, with the COVID shutdown, we no longer need a receptionist full-time at our front desk. And so our doors are typically secured, but we want to be able to provide a Moss Adams greeting for visitors who come. So we have team members in each of our locations who have the app for teleportivity. They initially use their laptops and they have migrated to the app on their phone so they can provide a two-way communication live with a Moss Adams person with our visitors. So we want to have our touch. So that's been super successful. And I love the new AVA system. It's super easy to move camera views around, and it's so simple to watch recorded video that it's just mind-blowing how easy it is. All of the systems are so easy to use. It's a no fuss situation. Convergint is monitoring the health of all the equipment, and so if there's an issue, it's taken care of. I notice through the activity that there are system upgrades that happen seamlessly and is all in the background, and we don't have to schedule a technician to come on site and coordinate with our IT. So it really is it really feels like a whole new generation, a whole new world that we're in.
Yeah, I want to point out two things that you mentioned. So number one, teleportivity. You don't need somebody just sitting at the front desk waiting for a visitor. Right. So that's great, that's awesome. And then the second thing you mentioned was everything is just up to date. Yeah. It just is automatically up to date. You know, you talk about having disparate access control systems on-prem and trying to have to manage, those updates regularly, and there's some patching that needs to occur pretty regularly because of security vulnerabilities. And if the system isn't just doing itself, you have to spend a whole bunch of time and money to get that stuff figured out. So that's great. I really appreciate that.
Especially since we had so many disparate systems and providers and it was just a nightmare. Well, it just didn't get done.
Right.
It didn't get done, you're right.
And I think one of the things Sandra has commented about too is how easy it is now to, for example, from a security standpoint, when somebody leaves the company, they're just out of the system just like that. Whereas before, somebody had to physically go in and manually delete them, and remembering to do that. And so it's just solved a number of problems there. And the whole thing with the receptionist, that wasn't ever part of our original workplace strategy. 8 years ago, we had reception desks, but that was, as she said, COVID really told us, wow, I guess we don't really need these. And so we don't even, in some of the new offices, we don't even build in a reception station.
All these cloud technologies, they're super modern, they're super advanced, and new features keep coming out, and it just is available to you. So that's a really cool feature. I do want to touch on the flexibility of cloud and maybe real estate and kind of how that impacts you and your organization.
Well, as you can probably, from what I've already said, you can tell what we're looking for is flexibility in our workspace and efficiency. And so we want those spaces to be able to be changed, and it's just one of the corner pieces of our real estate strategy, our workplace strategy. And so that's one of the solutions is that this brings is that the security technology is flexible right along with it. And Sandra can go in there and she can address any one of the offices that are on the system. So it's really great. And when we started out with you guys, we've done how many offices now?
We're working on 7 right now, our 7th, yeah.
Yeah, and what we're going to do is eventually our plan here fairly soon is to go back and retrofit all of our offices. We want every Moss Adams office to be the same security package.
Right, so every office, and speaking of having to retrofit a whole bunch of offices, so far, how has the employee experience been?
The experience has been really good. We have been doing all new construction. So I was trying to think, we haven't done any retrofits just
Not
yet.
yet.
But it's all, it's almost like, well, I need training, and I say, well, really, here's all you have to do. It's just so simple. I can't say enough about how simple it is and how easy it is for them to work with.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys again for your time
Pleasure.
today.
My
Really
pleasure.
appreciate you talking to us about how cloud technology has really helped you and helped your organization, and excited to get the rest of the sites retrofitted. So,
Well, it isn't just cloud technology, it's Convergint.
well, we appreciate
as our
that.
partner, as our exclusive partner.
Well, speaking about Convergint as your
Yeah.
partner and security as a service model, and next week we'll be talking about how our security as a service model is supporting Moss Adams, really from a partnership perspective. We have Tawana Vines, a program manager, supporting the entire thing, and we'll be diving into that more next week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon.